On our trip to the remote Lady Musgrave Island, we observed how the turtles returned to the very same beach they were born on to lay the eggs. But because the island is uninhabited, without any infrastructure, our only option was to harvest the energy of sun using a solar panel to recharge the AirBuddy batteries. And this is what the solar charging of AirBuddy looks like. With a 120 watt solar panel, we are getting about 90 to 100 watts when the sun is close to perfect, otherwise about 30 to 40 watts when there is a bit of an overcast. What that translates into, we are charging anywhere between 2.5 amps to 6.5 amps, and we are managing to recharge the battery in about 4 to 6 hours, depends on the sun, so we can dive 1 or 1.5 times per day.